What up, world? I've been working a lot. Working in Oklahoma. Basically, the company that I work for, what we do here, we cut and tree,
What the hell did you just say?
cut and trim trees away from power lines. We will actually be headed out to Florida tomorrow at 4 a.m. See y'all soon in Florida. All right, what up, world? 4 a.m. We're loading up the trucks and stuff. Getting ready to go, head out. Alright, so I'm running back to my room. Forgot my vest and shit, so I got everything in the bag except my vest, so now I gotta run back upstairs real quick. Okay. Did I forget anything else? Did I forget anything else? Think. I guess not. Let's go.
When you love like I'm loved, somebody gotta hate you. And it don't surprise me at all, cause you know, I'm a street dude, you know. But I'm doing big things, going big places. Cause this what I do.
Wake up every day and hustle, you hear me, that's all I know. Ain't surprised by you hating, you feel me, that's all you know. And I'm going lots of places, but I ain't going broke, cause nothing comes before my money and business, that's all I know.
That's all I know. Don't care what you say about me, don't care how you feel about me. Drag my name through the mud, guess what? I'm about to kill these streets, going places you will never see, someone you will never be. Mama say get some rest, I might miss a check, so I never sleep. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty is all I know. Trouble free, you don't want war with me, cause war is all I know. Went from the block to hip-hop, bottom to the tip top. I can't go broke, I'm too hot. You hating on me cause you not. They hated Jesus, so you know they go hate me cause of my power. It's my time, my grind, my year, my hour. This was God's plan. Grind hard every day I wake up. She wanted me to miss my flight. I gotta go and get my cake up. So
Wake up every day and hustle, you hear me, that's all I know. Ain't surprised by you hating, you feel me, that's all you know. And I'm going lots of places, but I ain't going broke, cause nothing comes before my money and business, that's all I know. Hey, my nigga, that's all I know. Hey, wake up every day and hustle, my nigga, that's all I know.
this all I know. I hustle hard.
So we're here in what's the Holiday Inn, right? Holiday Inn? We're in Holiday Inn in Georgia. We're in Georgia right now. We're in a room here for the night. And then how far are we from Florida? Another 4 or 5 hours to get there? 10 hours? 9 hours? Yeah. Still got 10 hours to go. We're almost Florida.
That's all I know. You and everybody business, you. That's why you broke. Why y'all criticizing my name? I'm on the camel in Dubai. If they say sky's the limit, guess what? Then I'm the sky. Real music, I ain't gotta lie. Till the joy.
It is freezing. No, not freezing. It's very cold.
I ain't surprised.
Every day and hustle, you hear me, that's all I know. Ain't surprised by you hating, you feel me, that's all you know. And I'm going